Will Germany maintain its economic powerhouse status in 2024? Join me today as we dive into the dynamic world of Germany's economic outlook, exploring what lies ahead for Europe's largest economy. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing our lens on one of the most influential players in the global economy, Germany. Known for its precision engineering, robust manufacturing base, and pivotal role in European politics, Germany's economic performance doesn't just impact its 83 million citizens, it sends ripples across markets worldwide. As we navigate through the complexities of 2024, we'll uncover the key factors shaping Germany's economic landscape and what they mean for businesses, investors, and everyday citizens alike. So, let's jump right in. Current economic landscape. Germany's economic performance in recent years has been characterized by resilience amidst global challenges. As Europe's largest economy, Germany has consistently demonstrated robust GDP growth, bolstered by key sectors such as manufacturing, automotive, and technology. In 2023, Germany's GDP growth rate hovered around 0.31%, showcasing steady expansion despite global uncertainties such as trade tensions and geopolitical shifts. The manufacturing sector remains the backbone of Germany's economy, contributing significantly to GDP growth. Renowned for its high-quality machinery and engineering prowess, German manufacturers continue to thrive both domestically and in international markets, driving exports and fostering economic stability. The automotive industry also plays a pivotal role, with iconic brands like Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz leading the charge in innovation and production. Despite challenges like supply chain disruptions and the shift towards electric vehicles, Germany's automotive sector remains a cornerstone of economic output and employment. In terms of labor market dynamics, Germany has maintained a relatively low unemployment rate, underscoring its strong labor market. As of recent data, the unemployment rate stands at approximately 3.01%, reflecting effective labor market policies and resilience in job creation efforts. However, like many advanced economies, Germany faces challenges such as skills mismatches and adapting to digital transformations impacting job markets. Looking ahead to 2024, these sectors and labor market trends will continue to shape Germany's economic trajectory, influencing policies and investments that drive growth and address emerging challenges. As we delve deeper into the year, monitoring these indicators will provide valuable insights into Germany's economic health and its implications globally. Factors impacting the economy in 2024. Looking ahead to 2024, Germany's economic outlook will be shaped by a combination of global and domestic factors. Globally, trade policies and geopolitical tensions continue to exert significant influence on Germany's export-oriented economy. The ongoing trade disputes between major economies, such as the United States and China, could disrupt global supply chains and impact German exports, particularly in the manufacturing sector. Additionally, uncertainty surrounding Brexit and its implications for trade relations within Europe remain a focal point for German policymakers and businesses alike. Geopolitical factors also play a crucial role. Germany's position within the European Union, EU, as a key player in economic and political integration means that developments within the EU, such as discussions on fiscal policy coordination and the implementation of recovery funds, will directly impact Germany's economic policies and growth prospects. On the domestic front, government policies will continue to shape economic outcomes in 2024. Initiatives aimed at fostering innovation, sustainability, and digital transformation are expected to drive investments in key sectors like renewable energy, digital infrastructure, and artificial intelligence. Moreover, demographic changes, including an aging population and workforce dynamics, pose challenges but also opportunities for innovation and productivity enhancements in sectors ranging from healthcare to financial services. Germany's commitment to environmental sustainability and energy transition will also be critical. The shift towards renewable energy sources and efforts to reduce carbon emissions are not only driven by domestic policies but also align with broader global trends towards sustainability and green finance. These initiatives will influence investment flows and technological developments, positioning Germany as a leader in sustainable economic practices. In summary, As Germany navigates through 2024, the interplay of global economic trends, domestic policy initiatives, and demographic shifts will shape its economic trajectory. Understanding these factors is essential for stakeholders, from investors to policymakers, to anticipate opportunities and challenges in Germany's evolving economic landscape. Key economic indicators for 2024. Looking forward to 2024, several key economic indicators will be crucial in assessing Germany's economic health and prospects. Firstly, GDP growth is a fundamental measure of economic performance. For 2024, economists and institutions forecast Germany's GDP growth to be around 0.3%. This projection reflects cautious optimism amid global uncertainties and domestic policy adjustments aimed at sustaining growth momentum. Factors influencing this forecast include recovery in global demand, particularly in key export markets, and continued domestic investments in infrastructure and technology. Inflation rate projections also warrant attention. In recent years, Germany has experienced relatively low inflation rates, thanks in part to stable energy prices and prudent monetary policies from the European Central Bank, ECB. However, as global commodity prices fluctuate and supply chain disruptions persist, inflationary pressures may increase. Economists project the inflation rate to be around 2.4% in 2024, influenced by both external and domestic factors. Managing inflation expectations will be critical for monetary policymakers to ensure price stability while supporting economic growth. Investment and consumer spending trends are integral indicators of economic activity and consumer confidence. Despite uncertainties, investment in sectors such as renewable energy, digital infrastructure, and healthcare technologies is expected to remain robust, supported by government incentives and private sector initiatives. Consumer spending, a vital driver of economic growth, is anticipated to gradually recover as consumer confidence improves and labor market conditions stabilize. Overall, monitoring these key economic indicators throughout 2024 will provide insights into Germany's economic resilience and its ability to navigate global challenges while capitalizing on emerging opportunities. As stakeholders assess these indicators, understanding their implications for business strategies, policy decisions, and market dynamics will be essential in shaping Germany's economic trajectory in the year ahead. Sector analysis. Automotive industry outlook. The automotive sector remains a cornerstone of Germany's economy, renowned for its engineering prowess and global competitiveness. In 2024, the industry faces transformative shifts driven by technological advancements and environmental regulations. Electric vehicles, EVs, are gaining momentum, with German manufacturers like Volkswagen and BMW leading in innovation and production. The transition towards EVs is not only reshaping manufacturing processes but also stimulating investment in battery technology and charging infrastructure. Despite these advancements, challenges such as supply chain disruptions and semiconductor shortages persist, influencing production capacities and global market share. However, strategic investments in sustainable mobility solutions and digitalization are positioning Germany to maintain its leadership in the global automotive landscape. Manufacturing sector trends. Germany's manufacturing sector continues to drive economic growth through innovation and high-value exports. Key trends in 2024 include the integration of Industry 4.0 technologies, such as automation, IoT, Internet of Things, and AI, artificial intelligence, to enhance productivity and competitiveness. These advancements are transforming traditional manufacturing processes, enabling customized production and real-time data analytics. Moreover, efforts to enhance sustainability practices, such as resource efficiency and carbon neutrality goals, are reshaping manufacturing strategies and supply chain dynamics. As Germany navigates the digital age, collaborations between industry and research institutions are crucial in driving technological advancements and maintaining global manufacturing leadership. Services and digital economy developments. The services sector, particularly digital services, is experiencing rapid expansion as digital transformation accelerates across industries. Germany's robust digital infrastructure and skilled workforce are propelling growth in sectors such as fintech, e-commerce, and digital healthcare. In 2024, investments in AI, blockchain, and cybersecurity are expected to foster innovation and competitiveness in the digital economy. Furthermore, the COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the adoption of remote work and digital solutions, driving demand for digital services and creating opportunities for startups and established firms alike. Government initiatives promoting digitalization, coupled with favorable regulatory frameworks, are bolstering Germany's position as a hub for digital innovation and entrepreneurship. In conclusion, sector-specific developments in automotive, manufacturing, and digital services are pivotal in shaping Germany's economic landscape in 2024. As these sectors embrace technological advancements and sustainability imperatives, stakeholders must navigate evolving market dynamics and seize opportunities for growth and resilience in a rapidly changing global economy. Challenges and risks. As Germany looks ahead to 2024, several challenges and risks could potentially impact its economic growth and stability. Potential risks to economic growth. External shocks remain a significant concern for Germany's export-driven economy. Global trade tensions, geopolitical uncertainties, and fluctuations in commodity prices pose risks to export-oriented sectors such as manufacturing and automotive. Disruptions in global supply chains, exacerbated by factors like the COVID-19 pandemic and geopolitical conflicts, could hamper production and export capabilities, affecting overall economic performance. Internally, structural challenges such as demographic shifts and skills mismatches in the labor market present obstacles to sustained economic growth. Germany's aging population and declining workforce participation rates necessitate strategies to enhance productivity and innovation across industries. Moreover, regulatory complexities and bureaucratic hurdles can impede business investments and operational efficiency, requiring streamlined policies to foster a conducive business environment. Sustainability concerns and environmental policies. Environmental sustainability is increasingly integral to Germany's economic strategy, with ambitious targets set to reduce carbon emissions and transition towards renewable energy sources. While these initiatives align with global efforts to mitigate climate change, they also pose challenges for industries reliant on traditional energy sources and high carbon emissions. Transition costs and regulatory compliance requirements may strain profitability and operational flexibility, particularly for small and medium enterprises, SMEs, and energy-intensive sectors. Furthermore, balancing environmental objectives with economic growth priorities remains a delicate task. Striking a harmonious balance between sustainable development and economic competitiveness requires innovative solutions and collaborative efforts across public and private sectors. Leveraging technological advancements in green technologies and fostering partnerships for sustainable investments can mitigate risks and unlock opportunities for long-term economic resilience. In conclusion, navigating through 2024 entails addressing multifaceted challenges and risks, from external economic uncertainties to internal structural adjustments and sustainability imperatives. Proactive policy measures, strategic investments in innovation, and fostering resilient business ecosystems will be essential in safeguarding Germany's economic stability and advancing towards sustainable growth objectives in the years ahead. Opportunities. Looking forward to 2024, Germany is poised to capitalize on several emerging opportunities driven by sectors and technologies at the forefront of global innovation. Emerging sectors and technologies. One of the key opportunities lies in the expansion of renewable energy and sustainable technologies. Germany's commitment to achieving carbon neutrality by 2050 has spurred investments in renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydrogen. The transition towards clean energy not only addresses environmental imperatives but also creates new economic opportunities in manufacturing, infrastructure development, and energy storage solutions. Innovations in battery technology and smart grid systems are expected to enhance energy efficiency and grid reliability, positioning Germany as a leader in sustainable energy solutions. Another promising sector is digitalization and artificial intelligence, AI. Germany's robust digital infrastructure and skilled workforce are driving advancements in AI applications across industries, from manufacturing to healthcare and finance. Government initiatives promoting digital innovation, such as the Digital Hub Initiative and investments in AI research and development, are fostering a vibrant ecosystem for startups and established firms to innovate and scale globally. The integration of AI-driven automation and data analytics is enhancing productivity, operational efficiency, and personalized customer experiences, creating new avenues for economic growth and competitiveness. Government initiatives supporting innovation and growth. Government policies and initiatives play a pivotal role in fostering innovation and economic growth in Germany. The National Industrial Strategy 2030, for instance, outlines priorities to strengthen industrial competitiveness, promote innovation clusters, and support SMEs in adopting digital technologies. Financial incentives, tax breaks, and grants for research and development, R&D, are encouraging investments in cutting-edge technologies and sustainable practices. Moreover, initiatives like the European Union's Horizon Europe program and Germany's participation in collaborative research projects are facilitating cross-border partnerships and knowledge exchange, driving innovation in areas such as healthcare, mobility, and environmental sustainability. Strategic alliances between academia, industry, and government agencies are essential in translating research advancements into commercial applications and global market leadership. In conclusion, Germany's proactive approach to embracing emerging sectors and technologies, coupled with supportive government policies and collaborative initiatives, positions the country at the forefront of global innovation and economic resilience in 2024 and beyond. By leveraging these opportunities, stakeholders can harness Germany's strengths in technology, sustainability, and industrial prowess to navigate challenges, drive inclusive growth, and shape a prosperous future for the economy and society. Conclusion. In summary, we've explored Germany's economic landscape for 2024, focusing on key indicators, sectors, challenges, and opportunities shaping its path forward. Germany continues to demonstrate resilience amidst global uncertainties, driven by its robust manufacturing base, leadership in digital innovation, and commitment to sustainability. We highlighted Germany's steady GDP growth forecasted around 0.3%, anchored by strong performances in sectors like automotive and manufacturing. Despite external pressures and internal challenges, Germany's proactive policies and strategic investments in renewable energy and digitalization position it favorably in a rapidly evolving global economy. Looking ahead, opportunities abound in emerging sectors such as renewable energy, AI-driven technologies, and digital services, supported by government initiatives aimed at fostering innovation and sustainable growth. These initiatives not only enhance Germany's competitiveness but also contribute to global efforts towards a greener and more digitally integrated future. Final thoughts on the overall economic outlook for Germany in 2024. As we conclude, Germany's economic outlook for 2024 appears promising yet nuanced. The country's ability to navigate challenges while seizing opportunities in emerging sectors underscores its resilience and adaptability. By embracing digital transformation, advancing sustainable practices, and fostering innovation ecosystems, Germany is poised to sustain economic momentum and drive inclusive growth. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and engaged in the evolving economic landscape. Your insights and perspectives are crucial as we continue to explore the dynamics shaping Germany's role in the global economy.